Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. We're going to kick things off with this one with Kess's engine again, or Kess's car. Last night the boys stayed late and they did a run-in on it. So the engine's running. I got off the dyno this morning, put it back on the hoist, just warmed her up, about to do an oil change, new filter, and have a quick look over the car, make sure everything's good, no leaks or anything, and then get new oil in it, check the filter for any strange objects, hopefully nothing, hope the engine's healthy, and put oil in it and get it back on the dyno. Yeah, looking good. Mineral always changes colour and goes nice and dark. So it hasn't got any of the additives or the detergents in it to keep it a nice clean colour. There's two words, there's detergent and there's, I can't remember the other one. I need the motor man for that. Detergent and, what's the word? But anyway, detergent keeps the crap out of the oil, and there's also another thing in the oils that like hold it. And so the oil and the dirt and the carbon that gets built up in your oil actually stays in there. So mineral oil naturally does that. As you can see, that's why it goes that darker colour with just a run-in. Most synthetic oils or semi-synthetic oils don't tend to go that colour as fast because of the detergents they have put in them and other stuff, but they last longer, and I don't know, it's more for fuel efficiency and stuff, but for race motors and things like that, when you're running 300V, they got detergents but not as much, because you're changing oil a lot sooner and you want to see what's going wrong in your engine as opposed to it sitting up in there. Right, go empty this out and see what we can find in there, and then cut it open and see what's inside the filter. And big bits of white metal. Looking good so far, huh? Nothing there. Sweet. Yeah, special tool to cut open an oil filter. Hey. So you don't cut yourself. Hey Troy.
What are you talking about?
You put this in here, and then you do this, and you cut that end off.
Oh, there's a spring in there.
Looking pretty good.
Like a rocker arm there.
Yeah. And here you can see is the ring gap. The ring gap's come out of the engine. Not the ring, just the ring gap. I can see down here for light. Looking pretty good. A little bit of shinies, and a few bits of like machining swarf. That's what you always get when you get a freshly machined engine. You always get all the stuff that you can't get out, that you can't see. So it's always good to just have a look. What do you see, JP? Pretty good.
You know what? You know what I don't see?
What?
Bad shit.
Yeah.
So I kind of see a whole lot of fuck all.
Yeah. There's nervous jazzling.
Oh.
This is a good sign.
What I'm looking for in here is any big sinister bits of metal, any bronze. If you see bronze as well, you're going to have a bad day because something's gone through a bit of white metal at that stage.
I've got this bit here, but I think that is actually just a bit of filter of cut.
Everything looks alright in there. There's no... Doesn't feel gritty either, which is good. I'm happy with that.
Pretty good. Whole bits of machine swarf in there. That's it. Other than that.
That's good. Now we can put some new sauce in it and make some power.
Probably should leave that off while I crack
You
the
gotta do
lines.
that again in slow motion.
Let's go to replay. Don't fire it. Down the hatch. We just run it up with water for the initial run-in, just in case we had leaks or anything, we could spot it so we don't waste coolant or stains when you get a leak with new alley. So we'll run up with water, and now we're going to drain it, and obviously new oil's gone in. Then we're going to put some good Type 2 Honda coolant in. Just going to take the intake pipe off, check the turbo. It's nice and tight this thing. So it's a brand new turbo, first time it's ever run, so we just want to make sure there's no play or something developing that's weird. It looks good. Just checking for cross play and bearing. That's good. It just clicks on the top so I can overfill it, and when we run it all the air can bubble out and it'll slowly fill the car up, because there'll always be a bit of an airlock in there, so that bubbles through. So we can just fill like this and 2 bubbles through. Just hit the kill switch, so I'm going to crank and just build up some oil pressure. Once I've got oil pressure, I can flick the kill switch, or I'll get you to flick it, and then I'll fire it up. And then we're going to bleed the coolant and let the oiling system warm up too, because we've got a thermostatic valve for the oil cooler. So we're going to let that bleed as well.